Rolling in clover, understanding a quirky English phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and picturesque phrase, rolling in clover. This phrase is not just a literal statement about a field of clover, but carries a special, figurative meaning in English. Stay tuned to find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Let's start with the basics. The phrase, rolling in clover, literally refers to someone rolling around in a field of clover, a plant often associated with good luck, especially when it has 4 leaves. However, in the English language, this phrase is rarely used in its literal sense. Instead, it has a figurative meaning that we'll explore in the next section. In English, when someone says they are rolling in clover, they mean they are experiencing a period of great comfort, luxury, or wealth. It's often used to describe a situation where someone is enjoying a lot of success or good fortune. For example, if someone has just gotten a high-paying job, they might say they're rolling in clover. Where did this phrase come from? Rolling in clover is believed to have originated in the 19th century. Clover was seen as a plant that brought good fortune, and rolling in it was symbolic of being surrounded by wealth and comfort. Today, the phrase is used in both formal and informal contexts, but it's not extremely common, making it a unique and colorful addition to your vocabulary. To help you understand how to use rolling in clover in real-life situations, let's look at a few examples. 1. After winning the lottery, he was literally rolling in clover. 2. You seem to be rolling in clover these days with your new car and designer clothes, remarked her friend. Rolling in clover is a vivid and expressive phrase in the English language, symbolizing wealth, success, and comfort. Remember, it's a figurative phrase and adds a touch of creativity to your language. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you can now use rolling in clover in your conversations. Don't forget to practice and experiment with new phrases to enhance your English skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.